The Ohio Hunters Convention is back in one of America's scariest buildings. We're here at the Ohio State Reformatory, which you might know as the Shawshank Prison. The convention takes place in one of the cell blocks here, but they don't just have vendors, they've also got classes if you want to learn more about hunting. There's even a live hunt tour here and at some of the other local hunts in the area. Make sure you come here to see them in person for the full experience, but right now we're going to take you onto the vendor floor with us. Without further ado, let's go look at some spooky stuff.
Welcome to Ohio's Hunters Convention. I'm Tater. That's Cheech and Chong. Get this started.
Come look at the gore. Okay, I do have to say something. Being in a prison, in a real cell block.
At a convention.
At a convention where you can buy, buckets of maggots and gore. This is awesome. So awesome. But at the same time, look how small this is.
Right? Yeah.
Jeez. But I mean, as a prisoner,
Not
these are
much
very,
space at all.
yeah. Wow.
Hello guys, I'm Lucas Hunter from Frightmares Creations, and this is my first time vending ever. All the stuff here I make is hand sculpted, my very own ideas. I like to be original and stand out from the crowd. I started about 3 years ago when I was 15. Most of my stuff was mainly art sculptures, and this year I started taking it more towards Halloween and haunted houses and stuff like that.
Yeah, hopefully we see some of your stuff in some haunted houses.
Oh, I really hope
coming
so.
up.
Yeah, this is my dream job, so.
Heck yeah, that's exciting. So all of the vendor booths actually take place here in the cell blocks of the prison, which is freaking incredible. You can come down one side here and then you go down around the other side. It is absolutely amazing to be in this old building and seeing all this hot stuff.
Hey, my name is Joe Glenn and I am the owner, inventor, and creator of Zombie Skin. It's an ammonia-free latex. It's one of the only cosmetic-grade latex in the country. What's great about it is our consistency. If you look at our jars, it's a thickened type latex. We have our patented process with it, but it goes on super smooth. And if you're trying to blend prosthetic edges, it's amazing for it. There are people, I'll just use this ratty old piece here. So you see that edge, and I'm using a darker piece so you can see just how much I'm using, and there's not much, but I can get that edge to go completely away. And just get it blended in. And again, this is just very quickly just for the demo here, but I'm not using a lot, so a little bit of our product goes a long way. Very simple and easy to use. plus cuts, burns, what have you.
You can kind of make your own stuff too, right?
Yes, simple cuts and wounds. It acts just like skin on the body, so when you touch it with your spatula, it'll separate like skin does. Simple wounds, we have our kits here. This is our burn kit. On the back are step-by-step instructions on how to do a burn. I think that whole process was like a 10-minute process. Then we have our effects kit, which comes with 10 foam latex cuts and wounds, a spatula, syringe, and on the back is a full demo and a video on how to do it. Very simple and easy, quick to work with. Same as it's always been,
And you have quite a variety of colors too, right?
Yes, we do red, black, flesh, and original. Okay. This is the original, and it dries like a yellowish as it's natural latex.
And that dries super quick, like with body heat, is that right?
Yes, air and body heat kick this off. So like even right here on the edge, you can see where that's actually dried already.
It's already rolling off.
Yeah. So even this is that, you can roll it up and make blisters, what have you. So it makes it simple. A lot of times I'd be doing multiple people, and by the time I was done with the one over here, this one's ready to go to start whatever process I was working with.
Looks like good stuff, Joe. Thanks for showing us.
Hey, thanks for stopping by. Always a pleasure to see you guys, and I hope to see you again next year.